Todd Bruning, PLM. One of the primary focuses of our company is spall repair and joint repair for DOTs, city municipalities, and parking lots. Started this business 25 years ago, and it's kind of evolved into a niche. At PLM, we've ran various different skid steers, various attachments. Not all of them perform the same, and we've gradually started going to the Takeuchis from the standpoint that they've got enough horsepower, ease of operator use. We're using a planer head on concrete for majority of this work, and we've really got to have the horsepower and flow to cut through the concrete. All of our machines do well on asphalt, but when we get to the concrete, we really need that extra horsepower and stability of a large frame skid machine. The radial lift pattern on the Takeuchi is really one of the big improvements for our operation. It keeps the cuts very consistent, and we don't have the violent shaking back and forth of the machine. One of the benefits owning the Takeuchi in the last year and a half is we've experienced zero breakdowns. With some of our previous models, we've had to have backups on the job site since we're doing lane drops, being out on the highway and roadways to make sure that we're getting our jobs done and getting off the highway in time. We decided to purchase the Takeuchis on a 3-year lease with a 3,000-hour warranty. It's a much more efficient use of our capital, and we have a guaranteed buyout number at the end of that 3-year lease. PLM has had a good experience working with Randy and Luby equipment. He's always been there for parts, backup, delivering stuff if we need it, and basically been a really good resource to our guys.